Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to transplant tomato plants. For the soil, I'm using regular potting mix and perlite. I got these from Miracle-Gro, but you can also use any brand. Next, you need to find a container with drainage hole. I just use a takeout container for this. Fill 2/3 of the container with regular potting mix. Next, we add perlite to the potting mix to improve drainage, and this will prevent the water from sitting in the container, which will often cause root rot. Mix the potting mix and the perlite. This should be how it looks like after you mix them together. I got 4 plants from the supermarket yesterday, so I will be only transplanting 2 of them into this pot. To transplant, you want to squeeze from the bottom and then gently tug it from the top. Make sure not to apply too much force at the top because you don't want to damage the stem. After taking it out, you can see that at the bottom, this plant is not very root bound, but if it is, you should be very gently loosening the roots so they can grow into the soil better. I will be doing the same for the other tomato plants. And after I remove them out, I will just put them on top of the container. Here I've put both tomato plants into the pot and I'm just adding extra potting soil so that I can fill in any gap and make sure to fill to the top. I have the ceramic pots right beside it because I want to place the plastic container inside the ceramic pot, so this way when I water the plant, the water can drain directly onto the ceramic pot instead of on the floor. Finally, I am watering in the plant. Make sure to water thoroughly until the water drains from the bottom of the pot. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.